brush and it spins around and it shines your teeth. Want a feel of it? Stick your finger out, I'll show you how it feels. Just like this. Just like this. Just like that, okay? And it scrubs your teeth really good. And then I have a little squirt gun here. When you need to wash the toothpaste off of your teeth or you want a little drink of water, just open your mouth and we'll give you a little squirt. Just like that. How's that? And you can drink that, it's okay. And this is a little, I call it Mr. Slurpee because if you need to spit, it'll suck up the spit just like that. Pretty cool, huh? Okay. So all that's right behind you here. And we'll get you all comfy here. Lay you back. You can sit in that chair if you want to. Is that a little computer?
Yeah, I'm shooting some video. Sorry.
Oh, really? You can do that?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. How cute. Very nice.
First dentist trip.
So I put this little mask on so I don't breathe on you. Gosh, we're going to be in a movie, huh? That'll be fun. I'll try not to get too messy then. Oh, this is fun. So do you like for Mama to brush your teeth?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Brushing teeth and taking baths, that's a lot of fun, huh? Splish splash. Do you know how to swim?
Yeah.
Yeah? Cool. Alright. This is just a little instrument that I clean your teeth with. Can you open real big for me? That's good. Alright. You want to show your teeth to Mama? Look over at Mama and show her your teeth. Say, ah. Look at those teeth. Look at all those pretty teeth. Yeah. Good job. All right. So I'm just going to rub along the edges of your teeth and make sure there's no